us find the reactions first. This will be 0.4 W and this will be 0.6 W. Let us draw the bending moment diagram. By EI gives our curvature diagram. In which this is WAB by L. This W into A is 0.6 L into V is 0.4 L by 1 L. So L gets cancelled, which will be 0.24 WL. By EI gives us curvature diagram, and this is 0.6 L and 0.4 L. To find the maximum deflection occurs at theta equal to 0 point. So let us draw the deflection diagram of this beam, and let us assume at x distance there is a maximum deflection at x distance from A. That implies slope at this point is 0, and if we draw a tangent at this point, from moment area theorem 2, delta max will be moment of AX area of curvature diagram about A, and if we see the other side, which is equal to moment of BX area of curvature diagram about B. That is, let us take this as X. This is X distance. This we can obtain since 0.6 L is 0.24 W L by EI. Then X distance, it will be what? It will be 0.4 WX by EI. So moment about A x bar and of this area, and moment of this area about B, let us say this is x1 bar and this is x2 bar, should be equal, since the deflection at this point can be found out taking the left or the right span. So equating that, let us give moment of AX area mean half base is x into height is 0.4 WX by EI into centroidal distance will be 2/3 of x equal to moment of other area. Let us divide this like this into a small triangle and a rectangle. Now let us write equation half base is 0.4 L for the biggest triangle into height is 0.24 WL by EI into CG distance is 2/3 of 0.4 L for that. For the other span 0.4 WX, 0.4 WX by EI into its length is 0.6 L minus X is area into CG distance is 0.6 L minus X by 2 plus 0.4 L for the rectangular part, plus for the triangular part half base is 0.6 L minus X into height will be 0.24 WL by EI minus 0.4 WL by EI into CG distances 0.4 L plus 1/3 of the base height Let us simplify this. 0.4 W x cube by 3 EI is on the left span, which will be equal to 0.16 into 0.24 WL cube by 3 EI plus 0.4 Wx by EI into 0.6 L minus x into 1.4 L minus x by 2 plus 0.6 L minus x by 2 into 0.24 L minus 0.4 into x into W by EI into 1.8 L minus x by 3. W by EI gets cancelled. We can cancel it out. So it becomes 0.4 x cube by 3 equal to 0.0384 by 3 into L cube plus 0.2. This, let us cancel this. This will be 0.2 into x into 0.6 L minus x into 1.4 L minus x plus this will be 0.6 L minus x into 0.12 L minus 0.2 x into 1.8 L minus x by 3. 0.4 x cube. Let us take this 3 on the other side. It will be 0.0384 L cube plus let us multiply this. This will be 0.6x into 0.84 L square minus 2 Lx plus x square. So this will be 0.504 L square x minus 1.2 Lx square plus 0.6 x cube. And on simplifying this, this will be 0.072 L square minus 0.24 XL plus 0.2 x square into 1.8 minus x. On multiplying it again, we obtain this to be 1.1296 L cube minus 0.072 L square x minus 0.432 x L square plus 0.24 x square L plus 0.36 x square L minus 0.2 x cube. Minus 0.2 x cube and 0.6 x cube becomes 0.4 x cube. It is on the opposite side, it gets cancelled. This L square x and this L square x and this L square x, all on sum it get cancelled. So the equation obtained is 0.168 L cube minus 0.6 L x square equal to 0. On solving we get x to be 0.53 L. Substituting in delta max at x equal to, delta max is 0.4 W x cube by 3 EI. If we take moment about A, substituting x equal to 0.53, we get deflection to be 0.06 W L cube by 3 EI.